Let's understand inner join. Only matching rows.
Okay, so we have started today with the joins. Join will be very helpful in the next subsequent sessions because we're going to explore different kind of joins. Right now we are seeing the very simple basic join, inner join. I know it's very basic, but I'm pretty sure it will help somebody. So let's go with this. We have two tables, employee and department. Now we have to find the employees are working in which department. So here department ID is only given in the employee table, so we cannot say that this employee is working in which department. Here department ID is there, but we don't know who is working in this department. So we'll join these two tables and find that employees are working in which department. So department name will come. Department ID is the joining column between both. So let's do this. So for inner join, you have to, I usually start with the table. So from employees E, that is employees first table, E is the alias. Let's go with inner join. Which table you want to join? Departments, alias name D. On what condition you want to join? E dot dpt id equal to d dot dpt id. We know that this is a column on which we can join. Now since we have joined both the table on this column, now we have intermediate result. So we want to show the result. So e dot star from employee table, everything bring, and e dot star, so bring everything from department table. And hopefully that's the record. So in employees table you can see we are joining null 99. These two are not here, and in department 50 is not here. So you remember inner join will give one-to-one mapping. So it will check whatever is available in department and whatever is available in here. It will give only matching records. Suppose here 99 is there, but here it is not. So 99 will not come in the final record. So number has to be present in both the table, then only that complete row will come in the output. So let's see. Okay, I executed the first one also. Let's see. You can see here the null and 99 didn't come. Okay, let's understand this flow much better with Excel. We have these two tables. This is the employee table and this is department table. On both table we know department ID is the joining column. So both table will be joined on e dot dpt underscore id equal to d dot dpt underscore id. How the joining works here? So you will bring the schema definitely from this table. Then schema of this table, because we are going to select star. You know department ID here given I am same, but ideally it will you have to give alias here. Otherwise it will give you the duplicate column issue. So d dot department id, I'm just giving this also should have d dot department, and all these column are having e dot department id. Okay, I'm just giving only specific to this because I want to differentiate this here. Otherwise you assume e is appended to all the columns, e dot. Okay, now how the joining work is, here it looks for department id 10. Now 10 it will look in this table where it is finding in the first row itself. So this complete row from this table will come and sit here in the intermediate result. Then again this row completely come here. Again it has department id 10. It will again look and match with the first one. Again 10 match with the first one. So these two rows are definitely going to match with this one. Okay, next is 20. It is looking first is 10, next is 20, so it matches this one. So the complete 20 will come here, and this complete record of 20 will come here. Okay, next is 30. It is looking for 10, 20, 30. 30 is matched. So now again this complete row will come here, and this 30 will come here. Now it is null. Null is there is no definite number, and it has no match here till 10 to 50. So this row will be not coming in the final output. There is 90, 90, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There is no 90 here, department ID. So there is no match for this row. So this complete row will be not coming in the output. Now again 40, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. It matches here. Again it's 40. It matches here. So these both the rows will come here in the output, matching with their 40. Oh, I didn't completely cut and paste this record, is it? Okay. I should have not copy pasted. I think cut paste. Okay, that's fine. Now it is there. Next is 20. 20 again 10, 20. So this complete row will come in the output, and this will come in the output. Now you see one thing, there is a 50, there is no match here in this column, so 50 is also not coming in the output. So what do we got to understand from this? So on the joining column, here joining column is department ID. Joining value should be present in both the table. So here in department ID column, here is the department ID column. This column is joining column. So here 99 is a number. If it is here in the table A, E, then it has to be present in table D. Otherwise, it won't come in the final response. So inner join is one-to-one mapping. So number has to be present in both the table. Then only it will come in the final report or final output. You can understand like this is E and D. So from E and D, whichever records are common, that will come as output of inner join here. Okay. Suppose E has 10 records, D has 10 records, but there are only 3 records which are present in both the table. Those 3 records will only come as output of inner join. I hope it is understandable. Okay.